handcuffs. That's okay. I get that a lot.
On February 21st, 2023, a Florida police officer detained a 9-year-old boy at Stenstrom Elementary School. The child was restrained for 13 minutes following a disruptive outburst within the school. The child seemed very excited, which made people hesitant to go near him. To calm the child down, the officer tried to manage the situation by handcuffing him.
Stand up for me, bud.
Stand up. So you calm down. This is where we're at. He can do that because he's on the road. Just calm you down for a second.
Chill. Stop it.
Relax.
Stop it. Sit up. Chill.
Just relax.
You need to chill.
Throwing stuff. We can take the handcuffs.
I'm not gonna do that.
What you're doing is dangerous. You're hitting staff. You're hitting me. You're throwing things. You're putting everyone in this room in. You need to hear it. It's okay. I get that a lot. That's gonna be really uncomfortable.
Stop trying to stand up.
If you relax, we can take the cuffs off. But you can't throw things and hit us.
Stop trying to stand up.
No. Okay? There you go.
The officers tried to understand his behavior and explain what would happen because of his actions. But the child spoke using very grown-up and harsh words.
You know, in another situation, you would be in very big trouble for hitting a police officer. Shut up! Just letting you know, the older you get, it's going to be very harder for you to be making these behaviors. You're doing really good with Officer Tennant. She gives you stickers, she asks you how your day is, and then this is how you treat us? Yeah. You can relax, we can take the cuffs off, but you're literally endangering everybody here by hitting everybody. And they don't come to work to get beat up. You don't care, but you can go to jail for things like that. And I don't want to see you go to jail for things like that. Okay? You can get in trouble for hitting staff too.
Okay, I've done it since pre-K.
That's not nice. Why do you do those things?
Because these teachers are
But why? They're only trying to teach you.
Okay.
But we want to get you off those cuffs. So I mean, you're trying to get off the cuffs. We can easily open them if you just comply and talk to everybody to see what's going on with you while you're having a rough morning. You're trying really hard to take those cuffs off, and we want to take it off, trust me. We just want to make sure everybody's safe. So can you talk to us? Thanks, bud.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Thanks, bud.
The child's parents are suing the city and police department, saying their child was hurt by what happened. Their child's behavior problems got worse. The city and police didn't reach out to help them after it happened.
Stand up. Come over here.
What are those for?
It's for you.
No! No, I want it to God!
Speaking of distressing incidents involving children in schools, let's take a look at another troubling event involving a 6-year-old student. This newly released footage captures a young girl crying and begging an officer to let her go after she was arrested at her Orlando school for kicking a teacher.
Okay, she's gonna have to come with us now.
Okay, Kai. You
Stand
gotta
up.
go with them, baby girl.
Stand up. Okay, come over here.
What are those for?
It's for
Keep
you.
your hands, okay? Come over here, honey.
The 6-year-old girl, crying, tried to convince the officer not to proceed with the arrest.
It's not gonna hurt.
No!
Okay,
No,
well,
I want handcuffs on! No! Don't put handcuffs on! Please! Help me! Help me! Please! Help me!
Let's go.
Your grandma can come pick you up, okay?
Oh, I was in school. I just got you.
Come on, let's go.
No, please let me go.
Okay, come on. You can tell me what happened in the car, okay?
The arrest of a 6-year-old girl is troubling and prompts questions about suitable ways to manage young children's behavior.
I don't want to go to the police car.
You don't want to?
No, please.
You have to.
No, please. Give me a second chance.
You gotta go.
I don't want to do this. No. Please. 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 Please let me go. No. No, help me.
Okay.
Please. No.
Give me a second.
Appreciate it.
All right, yeah.
Call me if you need something.
Oh shit! Hey, shit! Hey, it's fake! It's fake! It's fake! It's fake!
It's fake. It's fake. It's a fake gun. I promise.
Next, we head to Akron, Ohio, where a concerned citizen reported seeing a 15-year-old boy with a gun. The officer didn't control himself and fired a shot, hitting the male in the hand.
I was scared, bro. Hey, tourniquet! Tourniquet now! Tourniquet! Where you hit?
Oh, my hand. You can't see it? My hand.
Get a tourniquet on this. Yes. It's an officer involved.
All right, man. You gotta go over there.
Just, I'll help you with medical.
Oh, my goodness. Please, sir.
You'll be all right, man. It's just in the arm.
I just wanted to be saved. Please. My head.
Hey, someone notify.
The scene was quickly secured, and the officers immediately stepped in to give first aid.
This is gonna hurt.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I don't got nothing on me. I don't got nothing on me.
No, this is just. I'm telling you, this is gonna hurt because I gotta crank this thing.
Shit. I'm just coming from home. I came from my cousin's funeral and everything. Oh my God. Oh my God.
In this arm. Any, just make sure. That's all we need. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna need to get this off.
I don't see anything in his back. You feel like you're hit anywhere else, man?
No, it's my hand. Please,
Sit down.
officer, please.
We got paramedics coming, man.
I'm a good kid, bro. I get A's in school. I play football. I just wanted to be saved. My cousin just died.
You're gonna be all right, man.
You're all right, man.
Get a perimeter set up. Yeah. You're good. Can we get access to that? You got the okay to roll them over and sit them up and let them elevate that hand? Yeah. Got the tourniquet.
I can't feel my hand.
Yeah, I got the tourniquet on, man. I'm not gonna be able to.
Hey, it's because you got a tourniquet on, man. All right. Well, let's get him up. Why. Go ahead. Can you roll over on your butt? Can you roll over on your butt? We're gonna roll you this way.
Oh, my hand.
Don't worry about it. It's not that. Just have a seat. All right. Just relax. Hey, just elevate your hand. All right. Just elevate it.
My hand.
You're good, bro. You're not
My granny lived down the street, bro. My granny lived down the street, bro.